Hi guys, today I have something of a shorter video for you. In my last two videos I showed you how to make ornaments for an Easter tree. While making the last video about the feather, it hit me that the tradition of the Easter tree might not be as widespread in other countries as it is in Sweden, so I looked it up online. And what do you know? It's not that widespread at all. It's a common tradition in Sweden and Finland, and it's occurring in other Nordic countries and Central Europe. The British seem to have the tradition as well, but they use more of a tree-shaped Easter tree, decorated with paper eggs. Here in the Nordic countries we use a bundle of birch branches decorated with eggs and feathers. In Germany they seem to have a bundle of branches as well, but it's not commonplace to decorate it with feathers, at least not as far as I found out. I also noticed that if you translate the Swedish word for it, påskris, into English, the translation comes out to Easter crisis, which I found to be pretty funny.
Easter crisis.
But enough talking, today we are making an Easter tree. And the things that we will need for this are some newspaper to work on, some garden shears or side cutters to trim the branches, a vase of some kind, decorations, and I'm using the ornaments that I made in my last two videos. You can find the link to those in the description below. And last but not least, we need some birch branches. I start off by covering my tabletop with the newspaper. It would be a shame to scratch the newly refurbished top. I have a video about how I refurbished this table if you're interested. I will put a link to that in the description as well. And once the table is covered, I take out the branches. I determine a good length for the branches and I cut them to size with the side cutters. And once the branches are done, I fill the vase up with water and I put the branches in the vase. Now all we need to do is add the decorations. And in a day or two the branches will start to develop some leaves. And this will look much nicer when it has some green splashes in it. So it's a good idea to do this a few days before Easter to give it a few days to blossom. Well, that's about it for this video. I know this turned out to be a short one, but I really wanted to share the Swedish tradition of the Easter tree. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave a like if you liked the video, and if you want to see more crafty videos and crochet tutorials, feel free to subscribe. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!